आंध्र प्रदेश के चीफ मिनिस्टर चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने ऐलान किया कि जल्द ही बुलेट ट्रेन जनूबी हिंद में शुरू की जाएगी, जो हैदराबाद, चेन्नई, अमरावती और बेंगलुरु को जोड़ेगी। उन्होंने कहा कि यह खिता 5 करोड़ से ज्यादा आबादी के साथ दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी मार्केट बनने जा रही है।
Today, newspapers you have seen very soon, bullet train is going to come to South India. That is going to happen. Survey they ordered now from Hyderabad, Chennai, Amaravati, Bengaluru, all 4 cities, more than 5 crore population. Biggest cluster in the world, biggest market in the world. It is going to happen. If it happens, then you can see the logistics. Apart from this, our roads also we are going in a big way. Even remote area, all roads will be maintained for international standards. And also inland waterways we are going. Logistics parks we are going. Any missing links if you suggest, we will correct it all.